In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to tie a threaded needle. You're going to be sure first that your needle is threaded correctly and that you've matched up both bunny ears of your thread so that your needle is hanging on the halfway point on the other side. You want your knots to be as far away from the needle as possible to ensure that you have plenty of thread to sew with. Now, for the beginning sewist, it might be difficult to conceptualize how to perform the knot at the end, but it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is take a finger on your right side or left hand, your dominant hand, and pinch the end of your thread. Take your open palm, and you're going to run your thread and grab it in your palm and point a finger. Wrap the thread around your palm or your finger so that it crosses itself. And then all you need to do is pull the ends of your thread through the bubble that you formed and pull it tight. That will create a knot. Now, you're going to have to stack a few different knots, and it truly just comes down to gaining experience and comfortability with the materials to be sure that these knots stack on top of each other when you make them. You're not going to be good or perfect at this at first, but with diligent practice and continued growth, you will end up with a nice knot on the end of your thread. Now, this knot needs to be big enough so that it doesn't pull through your fabric, and that is how you make the knot on a threaded needle.